Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Azure VM with Azure Backup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Azure portal. Navigate to the Virtual Machine section on the left sidebar. Select the virtual machine you want to backup. In the VMs overview blade, look for and click on Backup. If you haven't configured a Recovery Services Vault yet, you'll need to create one. Click on Create New in the Backup pane. In the Create Recovery Services Vault window, provide a name for the vault. Choose the subscription in which you want to create the vault. Select a resource group or create a new one for organization. Pick the appropriate region for your vault, ensuring it's close to your VM for better performance. Click on Review plus Create and then Create to set up the vault. Once created, return to the Backup pane from the VM overview. In the Backup options, select the newly created Recovery Services Vault from the drop-down. Next, configure the backup policy by clicking on Configure Required Settings. Here, you can choose a backup schedule based on your needs. Select the frequency and retention range for your backups. Once the policy is set, click on OK. You'll be taken back to the Backup pane, where click on Backup now to start the backup process immediately. Monitor the backup operation status in the Jobs section of your Recovery Services Vault. Once the backup is successful, you can view it under Backup items within the vault. To ensure continuous protection, monitor and manage the backup policies regularly. This will help in keeping your Azure VM data secure and recoverable when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.